Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can simulate a coin toss, as well as how we can weight the odds a little in our favor if needed on the Casio FX-CG50 graphing calculator. If you don't have one of these calculators but would like one, check the link in the description below. To do this, we'll be using the Shift key that looks like this, located here, the menu setup key that looks like this, located here, as well as the F1 and F2 keys that look like this, located here. To get to the coin toss simulator, what we do is hit the menu key so that we're at the main menu, and then scroll down and over to Prob Sim or Probability Simulator, highlight it, and hit EXE. That brings us to this probability simulator menu, and we want F1 coin toss. So we just hit the F1 there. And that brings us to the coin toss simulator screen. If we just want to flip a coin, all we do is hit F1 toss. We see the animation there, and it'll give us the results, white or black. We can assign heads or tails to either of this. And we see we got white on this one. We can flip it again by pressing the toss again. Oh, you see we got another white. If we flip it one more time, again we get white. And we can keep flipping that until we get black. And once we're done, we can clear this data by hitting the F4, and it'll say simulation data is cleared, F1 to confirm, and we're back to a blank slate. If we want to flip a coin multiple times, we can use the plus N or F2 key here. Let's flip that coin 50 times. We default with 1, so we'll just delete that and enter 50, EXE, and there we go. That gives us the results. On the left, we see our table, and on the right, we see the graph, showing us it's pretty close to even, but not quite. And if we want to choose the table with F5, we can go through the individual flips and see the total amount for one side, in this case white, getting 23. And then we can see the graph with the F6, and back to the table and graph combined. There we go. Again, we can clear that with the F4 and F1. Well, let's say we want to weight this coin a little bit. To do that, we go Shift menu to get to the setup menu, and we see this screen here. If we hit F1 for the advanced menu, we see we can add weight to each side. Well, let's say we want to weight the heads 3 times more likely than tails. So we highlight the heads, put a 3 there, and we now see the probability of heads is much higher. We can exit out of here now twice. It'll give us this pop-up screen. We'll just hit F1. And now if we flip that coin, let's say 100 times, what do we get? Well, we see we now get white or heads quite a bit more often than we do black or tails. In fact, if we go to the table where we see the toss, the head or tail, and then the sum here, we can see the count of heads that we get. On the last head, which was 100, we have a total of 71. This is telling us we got heads 71 times, and we can then deduce that we got tails 29 times. We can exit out of here with the exit key and the F1, and back to the main menu with the menu key. All right. I hope this helps, and good luck with those coin tosses, everybody.